Lesson 7.3, our practice challenge looks a lot different. So let's read to find out. Barry, Michelle, and Sasha are all conducting different chance experiments as outlined below. Order the names from greatest to least for the person's probability that will be most likely to least likely. So we have three people, Barry, Michelle, and Sasha. Each person is doing a different experiment. So Barry is rolling a 6-sided dice. We see that Michelle picks a random marble out of a bag that is 15 red, 20 blue, and 35. And finally, we see Sasha spins a spinner, tries to land on a composite number. So we need to figure out the percentages or the probability for each of these three scenarios and then decide which is the largest. So let's start with Barry. Barry rolls a 6-sided dice. It could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Tries to land on a number greater than 3. Which numbers are greater than 3? 4, 5, and 6. So that would be 3 out of 6, 1/2, which is 0.5. So Michelle picks a random marble out of a bag that has 15 red. So let's say Michelle. There are 15 red. We need to figure out the total. 20 and 15. If I add these together, 15 plus 15 is 30, plus 20. So we have 50 marbles in total. And picks a random marble out of a bag that has 15, tries to pick out a blue. So how many blue ones are there? There are 20 blue. So this would be 20 blue out of 50 total. We can say 2 out of 5, which is 4 out of 10, or 0.4. So I see that right away, 0.4 is smaller than 0.5. Now I need to figure out Sasha. So Sasha spins the spinner, tries to land on a composite number. So what is a composite number? It's the opposite of prime, so it's not 15 is a composite number, 9 is a composite number, and that would be it. Everything else is a prime number. So we have how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 numbers in total. So 2 out of 8, which is 1/4, which is 0.25. So my question says, order the names from greatest to least. It's actually in order from greatest to least. Which one will be most likely to least likely? And so if I'm going to write it up top, I'm going to say most, it's Barry, then Michelle, then Sasha.